In this video, we're going to compare EverBee versus ProfitTree versus eRank and see which one of them is the best. So they don't want to have all three, as you can see right here on this Reddit thread, and they would like to narrow it down. So YouTubers openly promotes ProfitTree, which they say is good for project research. So let's see if it's good itself. So ProfitTree is also costly. They paid $67 for this based on the recommendation of the YouTube VOD gurus. They installed the Chrome extensions and the likes. However, when they went to NC and click on the extension, the Chrome completely locked up. Did it several times and it wasn't their problem. So as you can see, ProfitTree is not recommended on this case. So they tried EverBee, eRank, and some of the newer tool. eRank is handy for keyword research and basic SEO, while EverBee focuses on more trending topics and sales estimates, though the numbers can be inconsistent. The alternative to mix a free tool and what you already have is using the estimator. If you want, you can just choose EverBee and eRank, but you can also add this to the mix right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.